It is jaundice-like disease. And hepatitis disease are of various types, about 6 types. A, hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, and G. 6 छन् अनि their name is given the causative agent of the hepatitis is given according to their classification. Hepatitis A type हो भने HAV, hepatitis A virus है. अब B लाई के भयो भन त मन्जिला, B को लागि B को causative agent अथवा भाइरस को नाम के राख्दिएछ? हेपाटाइटिस यहाँ लेखेछ त फर्स्ट मा हेपाटाइटिस
HBV
हो. V भनेको भाइरस, B भनेको क्याटेगोरी, अनि यो HBV भाइरस को नामै त्यसरी राखेछ. अनि C को के होला? HCV हो के हैन? अनि D को के होला? यस, D को के होला?
HIV
यस हो. हैन, B भनेको ABCDEFG सम्म गरेछ नि, हो त्यही क्याटेगोरी हो. B भनेको त्यही हो. H भनेको हेपाटाइटिस, HPV हुँदैन, HAV हुन्छ, HCV हुन्छ. ल ल ल ल टेल मी. यस
सर, हेपाटाइटिस B है सबसे डेन्जरस.
Yes, सबसे dangerous. Yes. Most dangerous one, life taking. Okay. अब यो क्याटेगोरी बुझे हैन? ABCDE अनि G. त्यही HAV, HBV, HCV त्यसरी अनुसार हो. Okay, out of those 6 category we have to do only B. यो चाहिँ because it is most serious one and dangerous one, right? Okay. And it attacks directly to our liver. It is jaundice like bigreko jaundice भन्छ नि, jaundice, simple jaundice, we know that. अनि bigreko jaundice is what? Hepatitis B. Right? So with this Crisal Khadka and coming late. Okay, caused by B virus, and then incubation period 6 weeks to 6 months. Within this period, it is caused, यो अस्ति पनि कुरा गरिरहेको छ, and it is easily transmitted through infected mother, sexual contact, utensils, various things used by the patient. त्यसकोमा हामी if we come close contact, and it easily transferred like coronavirus. Is coronavirus is also dangerous. It is also like that. It is also easily transferred. Coronavirus mostly it attacks to the lungs. Mostly it attacks to the liver. Liver is damaged. Liver cells are damaged. Liver pain in liver. What happens to the person suffering of this is pain in liver. Only loss of appetite, headache, vomiting, all these common symptoms that can be seen in other diseases also. Fever and fatigue. Fatigue भने थाहा छ नि सृजना? क्रिस्मा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fatigue भनेको being tired, weakness in our body, isn't it? Yes. Yellow skin. Oh, skin color के हुन्छ? Yellow, eyes also yellow, and urine turn into dark. Urine त white अथवा yellow हुनु पर्ने, that turn into dark, suffering of hepatitis B. So dangerous. And jaundice, we know that. And destruction of liver cells are damaged. Liver cells are destroyed since it attacks to the liver, right? Okay, Manjila?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Damage of liver.
So, only liver. Oh, only त्यसपछि it be chronic and cirrhosis भन्छ. त्यो गर्दै गर्दै बिग्रिँदै काम गर्न नसक्ने हुँदै जाँदाखेरि results hepatitis, person goes in coma, faint, coma, and death. This thing happened, suffering of hepatitis B. Okay, now let's go to coma. Becoming faint, senseless, हुनु के थाहा बोल्न सुन्न केही गर्न पनि नसक्ने.
Unconscious.
Oh, very good. Correct. पर्सन त्यो बिग्रदै बिग्रदै यसको लेभल हाई when it reaches to climax person goes in coma भएपछि अनि अल्टिमेटली what death यस्तो हुन्छ this thing happened to the person suffering of
सर कोही त बाँच्छ है कोमा भए पनि कोही त बाँच्छ
बाँच्न सक्छ but very less chance
इम्युनिटी पावर धेरै भएकोहरु मात्रै बाँच्छ हैन
हो you are right yes how to prevent we should be safe from the patient suffering of hepatitis B जोसँग भएको छ we should not come close relation मा आउनु भएन हैन the things used by the patient should not be used by other person हो इत्यादि and avoid alcohol smoking drug abuse यस्ता थिङबाट we should be aware and vitamins are very important especially B vitamin B12 vitamin K vitamin C food containing these 3 types of vitamins should be taken all right
yes sir
yes okay these things should be considered another thing vaccine is important I think you all have taken vaccine hepatitis B 1 2 3 तीनवटा अनि बुस्टर डोज 4 वटा गरेर सायद पहिला को त यो स्कुलबाट आर्मी हस्पिटल लगेर अनि त्यहाँबाट भ्याक्सिन लगाउँथ्यो के अनि तिमीहरुले त घरमै लगायो होला हैन पहिला आउनु भन्दा अगाडि 2-4 वर्ष अगाडिसम्म the students taken to the Chhauni hospital and given hepatitis B vaccine
okay sir
vaccine is important awareness campaign awareness program should be run effectively ekdam effective some people should be conscious aware so that they can be safe from hepatitis B and monitoring of liver and kidney function bela time to time we should go to the hospital and get check up whether our liver college and kidney are well functioning or not that should be known or that should be diagnosed no sharing of any utensils that I have already told you treatment and isolation of the patient should be managed with emotional support भनेको मान्छे anyone is support त्यसलाई we should not hate them छाउमै नजाने उलाई हेल्प नै नगर्ने गर्नु हुँदैन टाढैबाट भए पनि things should be provided to the patient and the person should be given care love and taken to the hospital for the treatment यो गर्नुपर्छ so that we patient can be cured and we can be safe from the hepatitis B okay यति कुरा जानेपछि हुन्छ the next is another disease is non communicable disease let's start non communicable disease first is diabetes को बारेमा course last year also we have discussed and अहिले पनि अस्ति त्यो digestive system मा पढ्यो होला के हो what is the cause of diabetes अर्को what is the another name of diabetes have you heard about diabetes Srijana Krishna
yes sir
what is that you told me yes sir what is the another name of diabetes chini ko rog अथवा sugar diabetes chini same thing बुझ्यौ सृजना
yes sir
के रहेछ सुगर भयो भन्नु डायबिटिज भन्नु नेपालीमा मधुमेह इज अल्सो
TRCT air surface or before
Yes.
also it can cause
before also it can be caused but very less very rare okay but mostly if it is caused after the age of 50-40 बाट लाग्छ है अनि there are 2 types of diabetes एउटा insulin dependent and another is non-insulin dependent okay? and lack of insulin production by the pancreas produces pancreas is the hormone sorry what is called gland pancreas is a gland that produces hormone called insulin. Pura bujhyo? Pancreas is a gland that produces insulin. Insulin is very important for diabetes. Insulin is a chemical or hormone produced by pancreas. Hamro pet ko tala pancreas is there, that is gland, and that secretes chemical called or hormone called insulin, and that has important role for causing diabetes and for not causing diabetes. Insulin is necessary for the prevention of diabetes. Good hormone for the prevention of diabetes. Insulin is very important, and that is produced by pancreas gland. Okay, having high amount of sugar and carbohydrate containing sweet mithai, carbohydrate, starch, glucose containing food त्यस्तो चीज धेरै खायो भने the diabetes is caused. And the person who remains always idle without any exercise, physical exercise गर्दैन, and spend sedentary lifestyle, एकदम मिठाई खाने, एकदम मासु चिल्लो and foods containing sugar, carbohydrate यस्तो धेरै खाने हुन्छ नि, मोटोपना, obesity भन्छ. Hereditary also transferred, and being obesity, excessive overweight, एकदम मोटे जङ्गीहरू हुन्छ नि, they are very possible to cause diabetes. Okay, and usually cause after 40 to 50 अघि कुरा गरिसक्यौं. So these are the main reason for causing what? It is on the pancreas. Yes, pancreas is a gland, important gland that secretes insulin hormone. अनि त्यो hormone pancreasले production गर्न छोड्यो भने then it is sure that there will be a high level of glucose, high level of glucose in the blood, and त्यो भनेको के हो? Getting sugar or suffering of diabetes.
Lack of pancreas भयो भने चाहिँ diabetes लाग्छ भन्ने थाहा हुन्छ.
Oh, you are right.
So,
okay, being very
diabetes को name भन्नुस् न.
Two types भनेको हो. एउटा चाहिँ त्यो पेन्क्रियास छ नि, पेन्क्रियासले इन्सुलिन नै निकाल्न छोड्ने टाइप 1, that is not producing. अनि त्यो भएपछि के गर्नु पर्यो? इन्सुलिन इज नेसेसरी टु सर्भाइभ from the diabetes. So yes, so insulin injection should be taken every day. Okay, so it is called the insulin dependent diabetes. This is type 1. हो, अर्को 40-50 वर्ष लाग्छ नि हैन? This is type 2. एउटा पेन्क्रियासले इन्सुलिन नगर्ने, from outside, it's through the syringe. Every day we get injection. That is type 1 insulin dependent. के भन्छ? Insulin dependent. अर्को चाहिँ हाम्रो आफू नै शरीरबाट निकालेकोले अनि खानाहरू कन्ट्रोल गरेर एक्सरसाइजहरू गरेर त्यो इन्सुलिन को मात्रा to be produced by the secreted by the pancreas हैन, and that can be utilized naturally भनौं न, त्यो गर्ने कन्ट्रोल गरेर through control. This is type 2. Right? The type 1 time mostly children can suffer from this type of diabetes. Type 1. Okay, what happens to the person? Get thirsty, hungry, and urination, and there will be late healing of wounds and sores. हाम्रो घाउ खटेर के भयो भने it takes long time. Person is suffering of glucose level is high, हैन, sugar बाट suffering भयो, and then घाउ खटेर भयो भने takes long time to be cured. Okay, and blood vision. Do you understand, Amrit Chand? Blood vision, it attacks to our eyes, to our kidney, and to our heart. यो तीनटा मेन अर्गनमा असर गर्दै जान्छ. If diabetes continues or becomes chronic, if it started after 50 years, then 55, 60 years of age, 70, by 70, these three main kidneys, heart, and what else? Liver, all these things are attacked. Diabetes, okay. And then what happens? Blood vision, there will be heart problems, kidney problems, all these things happen. And the blood sugar level increases more than 120. It is measured. So 120 and 100, sunny. Low ma 100 and body ma 120. Some it is okay. While tested blood about sugar, and that after lab test it is shown 120 or 180 it is okay. To some extent, glucose or glycogen, sugar is necessary to our body, energy, so it is needed. And in average 120 up to 120 it's okay. If it crosses, lab test garda Biraj Khatri 120 30 140 what will happen? We will be suffering of diabetes, and these type of symptoms can be shown. Will be suffering now. Okay. So for the prevention and control of the disease, diabetes, के हुनु पर्यो? यो अघि भनेका कुराहरुबाट we should be safe. Lifestyle राम्रो हुनु पर्यो. We should be taking balanced diet, not the food highly containing carbohydrate, sweet, यस्तो खालको कुराहरु should be reduced, should not be taken very much. Okay, frequently, त्यस्तो धेरै मात्रामा high amount मा लिनु भएन. Okay, physical exercise, you know that should be done. Moderate type of exercises to be done regular. Yes, and quit smoking, avoid taking alcohol. All these things are not to be taken. We know that. And moderate regular exercise to be done. Okay, and diabetic patient must have periodic examination. यो यदि कसैलाई लागिसकेको छ भने अब खाने क्रममा आफ्नो लेभल कहाँ पुग्यो, in which condition he or she is going on, level के छ, what is the glucose level, sugar level in the blood. To know about this, that should be diagnosed by lab test. अब त्यो टेस्ट गरेपछि हुन्छ. If crosses more than 30 20 भयो भने के हुन्छ नीलम?
Sir, then we should eat medicine. Sir, to reduce and eat medicine if it cross 120.
127 30 भएपछि क्रस गरेपछि yes, we should take. We should take, and later on after 6 months, after 10 months, time to time we have to check up level whether it is improved or not. It is in balance level छ कि छैन भनेर थाहा पाउन time to time it should be checked.
Sir, अनि त्यस्तोहरु त्यस्तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट भएको पुरै अब एकैचोटी खाना छोड्न चाहिँ हुँदैन होला है?
हैन, slowly and easily. So come reduced. It should be reduced. Amount of taking all these things reduced gradually. है, बिस्तारै बिस्तारै गर्नुपर्छ. किनभने to some extent we need this glucose or energy, carbohydrate needed for energy. एकदम राइस के अमाउन्ट धेरै छ भने टर्न इन्टु रोटी खान थाल्ने, अनि राइस के अमाउन्ट घटाउँदै जाने, त्यसरी ग्रेजुअली गर्ने. बुझ्यो?
Sir.
Yes.
There's some people if
waiting
after 40 50 years.
Some people what happened?
There's some people told that after age 50 and 40 years of age, we can eat sugar in one week. One time we can eat sugar like sweets.
Yes.
Or anyway, we should eat that sugar tablet.
Yes, we can get sugar-free sugar also, and biscuits also. So many sugar-free things are available, and those things sugar-free वाला खाने नि त if someone suffering of, हैन. अनि एक्सरसाइज मा ध्यान दिनु पर्यो. राइट. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम यही तीनवटा कुरा ख्याल गर्ने. एन्ड नेक्स्ट डिजिज इज व्हाट? क्यान्सर. क्यान्सरको बारेमा अलिकति स्टार्ट गरौँ. वी हेभ लिटिल टाइम. ओके, 2 minutes. सो कज अफ क्यान्सर है. दिस इज अल्सो नन कम्युनिकेबल डिजिज. अघि भनेको डायबिटिज वाला नन कम्युनिकेबल डिजिज. वी हेभ अलरेडी स्टार्टेड नन कम्युनिकेबल डिजिजेस. So cancer is an abnormal growth of cells, unnecessary growth. Necessary growth त हामीलाई required by our body भइहाल्यो हैन. त्यो चाहिँ यो क्यान्सर ग्रोथ हुनु भनेको unnecessary, unlikely growth of cells. And the growth in different types. Blood cellहरुमा हुन सक्छ, RBC, WBC हरु, ब्रेन, अनि muscle cells हरु, bone cells हरु, whatever the cell. So the cells are of that various types. तिनीहरुको के हुन्छ, लेभल हुन्छ यति देखि यति सम्म हुने. that is required by our body, necessary to our body. Growth of the cells to some extent is necessary. यहाँ के आउँछ in case of cancer? Unnecessary growth, unlikely. हाम्रो शरीरलाई चाहिँदै नचाहिने. That turn into tumor, lump of muscles भन्छ नि. अनि do you know the common type of cancer? Shiva? Viraj? We are end of the class. Viraj?